Hey everybody, welcome to J. Bach & Co. Today we're gonna fix our Evolution chop saw. This is our workhorse. We've been running metal through it for about 1.5 years now, and it's made thousands and thousands of cuts. But we noticed that some of our cuts recently were a little off on a big batch we started. So we paused and we realized that this base is coming loose. So it's quite a bit of degrees there off, depending on where it rests. So we're gonna take it off the stand, flip it over, see if we can find some bolts to tighten up, maybe look in here. Especially when you're working them. That metal. Pull this fence out of the way. Yeah, so because it was loose, maybe some of this stuff is keeping it from tightening down. So we'll give it a good blowout and we'll tighten it back and see. You can see the wear in here. See the shiny parts, all the four corners of the thing as it's rocking and we're turning it. Clean off some of this residue. Be right back. Let me see if I can find some grease. I think it looks pretty solid under there, so we're going back on with it. All right, I'm gonna leave it right there. It's snug. It's kind of a weird design. You can't tighten this all the way, or this locks down, and I feel like they should have made it to where you can tighten it to a point and there's a bearing or something. It allows you to move it freely without worrying about this loosening up. So hopefully down the road they come up with a fix for that. But we got rid of our play, so should be back to making some straight cuts. Hope this helped you out.